Singing, I just want to fly and ride all day. Yeah. I just want to. Something to ride all day. We can go up in space and work together. We might even get like big old greenhouses in space if necessary. Send our robots into space and let them colonize and build us some landing strips and propulsion avenues, devices. I mean, if I don't know if the moon spins around and we see the whole thing throughout time, or if there's just one side of it or whatever, but we can go one of its poles one way or the other and put a landing strip and then a propulsion rail, and we get propulsion rail down here. Now we want to throw it into the wind, whichever way we're turning. We want it to be facing straight east when we shoot it off, and we want it to be right on into the wind. Shoot off a little jet plane, a rocket, see, but anyhow, the only propulsion we're using right now is that old combustion, and that's silly, man. With the capabilities of turbines, uh, shoot, I got a plan, man. See, look, you got this chair here. Let's get down here. Okay, you got a chair here. You got your elliptical device and your rail. Got a shaft right here. It's got a big old thing like an umbrella on top. It has a rotor built into it, and a track around the outside of it. Wire mesh, keep people's hands out of it. And I mean, this thing's oversized, just like a helicopter. Get in it, pedal a little bit, and down in the bottom of it, like at the bottom of this chair here, the bottom of this chair in this little area right here, see? The shaft comes down, and you got your pedals and your elliptical devices, and your pedals, and the propeller and the flywheel up top. Well, then down here, you got electric motor that's not kicked in yet. That's ready to give it just a little bit of pressure after it gets up to RPMs. And a little alternator run to a 12-volt battery, or a little generator putting out 110 hooked to a battery charger hooked to a battery to the electric motor that's a DC motor, and it's up there to high RPMs. You know how the starter gets it going on the low RPMs? Well, then you get the starter up here at the high RPMs, and you just kick it in every now and then. It comes down, but then when it starts to get down, then it kicks in and it hoots it back up. That's how your flywheel propulsion system works off the elliptical. No need for combustion engines. Now somebody build it now, you lazy jackwagons. I don't know. We're there. We just need to put it together and use it. Push for the alternatives. Stop feeding outdated machinery for sake of outdated machinery. For fake, a fake economy is nothing. No more fake economies. Give us technologies.